Hi, I'm going to give you a quick overview of message types and how to create them using the Global Message Event System for Unity. To create a new message, we navigate to the folder where we want to create our message type. Then right-click in the project view and select Create Global Message Message Type. We name the new C# script file according to the desired message type name. In our case, we will name it My Example Message. After an assembly reload, Global Message will automatically create an accompanying scriptable object, the Editor Message object. Great, we have successfully created a new message that we can start using in our game. For a better understanding, let's take a closer look at the two files we just created and how Global Message uses them. On a high level, you can think of the script file as the code representation of your message, while the editor message object represents your message in the Unity editor. The editor message object is used to easily reference the message inside the editor, for example in custom scripts, the message sender component, or inside the info view. The object is automatically kept up to date with the underlying message type. The message type itself is defined by the C# script file. Let's open it and have a quick look. As you can see, not much code is needed to create a working message type. You simply have to create an empty class that inherits from the message type class. Optionally, you can add the message type editor settings attribute to adjust the editor features for this message type. For example, you can set a custom description for your message that is displayed in the editor, or tell the system to hide your message from the editor features completely. As a last point for this video, we will create a message that carries a parameter with it. Again, we right-click in the project view. This time we select Create Global Message, Message Type with Param. This creates a default message type with an integer as its parameter. To change the parameter type, we open the C# script file and change the type parameter to our desired type. That's it for the message type overview. Be sure to check out the other Global Message videos or have a look at the documentation for more details. The links are in the description. Have fun using Global Message.